Alright, I received my first Birch box today, and I love the box. Pretty. And open it up. And we have a paper that says, "Go bold, summer is not the time to hold back. It's the season of wearing brights on brights on brights, driving with the windows down, and eating popsicles for breakfast. Accordingly, what better time to dial up your beauty routine? A notch or 3. Don't worry, we'll be bringing you inspiration all month long. Tell us what you think of your July Birch box." And it tells everything that's in the box. And then we have a killer colors without the light. Just #1 best-selling mascara and eyeliner. And then an exclusive offer just for you to purchase any benefit cosmetic product on birchbox.com and receive a free They're Real mascara or They're Real push-up eyeliner. Okay, open up the paper, and we have Rusk Heat Shift Restyling Cream, Medium Hold Cream Remodel. Okay. And I've never used this, but I'll try. Then we have Stella Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. And it has a pretty color, as you see, and it smells very good. Alright, we have Coola Makeup Setting Spray, Green Tea, and Aloe. I've actually never used this either, but I will try it. And then we have a little pink container, and it has a Dr. Jart BB Beauty Balm Multi-Action Skincare Plus Makeup. I've actually used this before and like it. It's in an O2 medium deep color. And we have Hello, you had me at hello. Harvey Prince Lemon Marita Grapefruit, because citrus is nature's way of saying good morning. And it smells pretty good. Not the best, but that is the July box. It's my first actual box from Birch Box, and it's okay, not Ipsy bags I like better. But we might try one more. One just to see.